Hey, this is Dave Espino. I love this question. It's a very ambitious question. I'm going to see if I can answer it in a short YouTube video. But here's the question. How do I create, market, and sell courses online? Well, let me answer that question. I created a 9-hour training just on this topic. But I'm going to boil it down to a few minutes just for you, okay? Let's start with creating online courses. How do you create online courses? Well, it's very simple. I use a screen recording software that records everything I'm doing on my computer screen. And then I use a microphone like this one to record myself narrating as I do that. And so I can record myself on a website. I can record myself presenting a PowerPoint presentation. I could record myself opening up a software tool like Photoshop and walking through how to use that. Everything that happens on my screen is recorded, so it's like creating an online tutorial. So that's an easy way to do it. Of course, if you want to, you could just use your phone, and you could use a phone to record yourself speaking to camera and that kind of thing. How do you market and sell courses online? Well, there's two ways to do it. One is the marketplace method, and that's where you publish your courses on Udemy, Amazing.com, Skillshare, Skillsuccess, CyberU, Learningly, ofcourse.co.uk, all these online course marketplaces. That's an okay method. These marketplaces, what they do is they drive traffic to their marketplace, which has a search engine, and then people search for your topic. If they find your topic and buy your course, you make money. But you make about 50% of the money that is brought in because the marketplace wants 50% of that money as well. In some cases, you only make 25% of that money if an affiliate sold your course or if there was an affiliate cookie attached to that transaction. And the other negative about the marketplace model is that they typically are very, very low priced courses, and they have control over the pricing. So they price your courses at 10 or 15 bucks, and you're only getting 50% or sometimes 25% of that 10 or 15 bucks. Think about that. That's a very low amount of money for your courses, right? The other option is the self-hosted model. And this is where you host your own courses on your own. You can charge as much as you want for your course, and you get 100% of the revenue because you're not sharing it with any marketplace. This is your business. You're in much more control in the self-hosted model, and you can create a sales funnel to leverage the traffic that comes in to generate the most sales from the traffic that comes in. Now, with the self-hosted model, you do have to learn a little bit about marketing, but hey, you have to learn a little bit about just about anything you get into, right? So you learn a little bit about marketing, you create a sales funnel that leverages the traffic that comes to you so that more and more of those people buy your course at a higher price and at 100% revenue to you. So you decide which of those do you like better. Well, with the marketplace model, you're lucky if you can get to 6-figure income. And I'm talking on average. You're really lucky if you can do that. And that requires that you create a lot of courses. With the self-hosted model, you can get to 6, 7, 8 figures a lot more easily because you're the one in control of everything. You're driving the traffic, you're charging more for your courses, you're getting a better quality student coming in. And because you're using a sales funnel, more of the people that are coming into your funnel are buying your course than would on the marketplace side. If you want to learn the insider secrets to making a massive passive income with online courses, then be sure to hit that subscribe button. And also, I've got a couple of free offers for you. You're going to want to get this download. It's called The World's Most Perfect Business. It's all about the online course business and how not only I'm making a lot of money with it, but a lot of other people are as well. So you're going to get that free download at daveespino.com/free book. And then the other freebie I have for you is a special webinar training that I'm doing all about the online course business, how you can get yourself to 6 figures with an online course business. And I'm not talking about creating 50 or 60 courses like I have. I'm talking about doing it with one comprehensive master class and how you can turn that into a 6, 7, and even 8-figure income. So you're going to want to attend that webinar, especially because I'm giving away all kinds of amazing gifts in the webinar as well. To register for the webinar, just go to daveespino.com/webinar. I look forward to seeing you on the webinar where I'm going to show you this incredible world that I call the world's most perfect business. So there are many, many leveraged advantages to self-hosting your course, and that's how you create, market, and sell courses online. Of course, as I mentioned, I have an entire 9-hour training plus supplementary resources and all kinds of other things. If you're interested in that, hit the link below this video so you can attend my webinar where I talk about that in detail.